Tongxiang Haoyu Trading Company Limited is located in Tongxiang, Zhejiang province. For 10 years, we have specialized in producing all kinds of bags, such as PP non-woven bags, OPP film laminated woven bags, cooler bags, cotton bags, polyester bags, paper bags and garments bags. All these different materials can be made with many functions, including waterproofing, environmental protection and recycled usage. And all our products are widely used in supermarket shopping, homes, promotions, gifts, packaging and advertising. There are about 100 employees in our factory and office. We can produce more than 100,000 pieces of normal non-woven bags per day. We have more than 1,000 customers all over the world. Because of our competitive prices, stable quality, timely delivery and good service. We make bags for many big brands like Disney, Apple, Porsche, Nestle and McDonald's. All our goods pass European and American standards. We also have certifications of ISO 9001, Walmart, SGS. Nowadays, in order to meet customers' different demands, we have enlarged our production line and developed some new items, such as scarves, backpack bag, cosmetic bag and fox fur ball keychain.
The quality of the products is always second to none here. The quality isn't affected when we increase order size. The welfare of the staff is also excellent, and deliveries are always on time.
Our sales department in Zhejiang has around 30 employees now. Based on our proficiency in every facet of our products, we understand customers' demands deeply and solve problems promptly. We concentrate on one-stop and one-package service. We are expecting to build long-term relationship with you. Welcome to Haoyu.